Hi friends! Can you help me put the pieces back so we can learn numbers, shapes, and colors? Great! Here we go. First, let's find number 1. It has a bright pink color. Can you see it? Right there. Where should I put it? Right here? No. Right here. Look, a purple ring for number 1. Count with me. 1. Great job. Now let's find number 2. It's color orange with yellow dots. Can you see it? Yes, right here. Where should I put it? Here? Yeah, here. Wow, 2 pink rings. Count with me. 1, 2. Nice. Now let's look for number 3. It's color yellow with sun patterns. Right here. Look, 3 light green rings. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Now where's number 4? It's light green color with green raindrops. Here it is. Let's put it here. Wow! 4 blue rings. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's look for number 5. It's color blue with diamond patterns. There you are. Where should I put it? Here? I think here. Wow, 5 light blue rings. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's look for number 6. There it is, color green with flower patterns. Look, orange rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Next is number 7. It's color blue with zigzag lines. Here it is. Should I put it here? Yeah, here. Wow, so many bright pink rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. And here's the number 8. Color purple with star patterns. Wow, so many green rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hooray! Next is number 9. Color blue with cloud patterns. And it's got yellow rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have number 10. Color pink with triangle patterns. Wow, so many blue rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's find the shapes and put them in the puzzle. Can you see the minus sign? There it is. Nice. That was easy. Next is the plus sign, and it's colored green. Do you see the plus sign? Yes, right here. Great job. Next, let's find the equal sign. It's color blue. There you are. Great job. Next is the square shape. There it is. Color purple with spiral pattern. Then the heart shape. Yes, it's color pink. Hooray! Next is the yellow triangle. This orange pentagon with star in the middle. And the bright pink circle with flower pattern. Alright, we're almost done. Now we just have to put the fishies back in the puzzle. This spot is for the orange fish. Can you see the orange fish? Right there. Let's catch it. Nice. And the next one is for the light blue fish. Do you see the light blue fishy? Yes, right there. Let's catch it. Great job. Next is for the color blue fishy. There it is. Caught you. Nice. Next is for the purple fishy. Right there. And the pink spot is for this pink fishy. Next is for the light green fishy. There you are. Baked. Then the green fishy. Next is the yellow fishy. Right there. Then another blue fishy. And the bright pink fishy. Hooray! We have completed the puzzle. I hope you had fun. See you on the next video.